Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Kim Jung-hyun and Kim Se-jung fortune harmony analysis. An application has been received for a fortune analysis of Kim Jung-hyun and Kim Se-jung. Their fortunes were very similar. What's the structure? Let's analyze it together. Kim Jung-hyun is a big rock in fortune. A large rock is compared to an unworked gem. Large rocks have a strong personality and are full of emotion. Kim Se-jung is a candle in her fortune. Candles are thoughtful and warm-hearted. Candles are the heat of light and heat. So candles like big rocks because it can melt them and make jolly. They are off to a good start, and they have two letters that correspond to popularity. Then let's go into the detailed analysis. Starting with honor, Kim Jung-hyun's energy is flowing to input energy. Input energy is flowing into the letters that mean himself. So far, it can be a passive structure, but then energy is flowing into the letters that correspond to art. It is a structure in which passive and active structures coexist. It means that the inflow and outflow of emotions are good. First of all, there are three letters that are identical to him on the top side of the fortune structure. He can play various characters in his fortune. The letter that means honor means a person who pursues self-management and good living. And Kim Jung-hyun's art and input energy are united, which means great creativity and somewhat green frog temperament. It means that he acts out of the way of what others say or a general idea. Kim Se-jung has three energies like herself on the upper side of a fortune structure. Their fortune structure is too similar, and the energy is flowing into the letters of wealth, honor, and man. This means that Kim Se-jung is a person who has a leadership temperament. Kim Jung-hyun has no letters for women. Kim Se-jung has a male character. However, I want to give a high score because the letters that mean their strong drive and pride are cool. And I think they can do their best in various roles as entertainers. I'd like to give them 95% as an actor and a lover. But I don't know about marriage because a strong ego can hit it. Please improve and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.